Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue on with the 63 ragtop restoration by restoring the door cards. Now, one of them I already kind of started on, two of them are really bad, and one's in the middle. So we're going to see what we can do with them. So, let's get cracking on it. Alright guys, so we're going to try cleaning up this door panel. This is the driver's side. We did the passenger side. It's pretty good. So let me get some cleaning solution. We'll get on this. Now what I have here is a proprietary blend of warm water and Dawn dish soap. Fresh rain scent. So what we're going to do is absolutely soak this thing. And Dawn is good enough for ducks. So it's probably pretty good for these door panels. Now this one is pretty well nackered. It's starting to tear here. Not tear, but it's shrunk. So we'll use this, which is standard kitchen sponge. Really, I should be wearing gloves. Now, you can use magic eraser. That's how I did the door panels in the 67. And there is a video on that. If you'd like to watch an older video of me doing this a different way. Okay. Yep. Oh no. Alright, got this rag here. Freshly laundered. Still has leaves on it. Well, it's better. You can come in with something a little more aggressive. And I want you to see what I'm using. I'd say that did help. Oh yeah, that actually helped a lot. The white is still for sure discolored, but the red is very nice. I'd be happy with that, considering what we started with. Very, very happy. Pretty nice looking door card if you ask me. For a driver quality, the car's gonna be better than that. The car's gonna be much better than the black car. Tell you what, the 67 is not done very well. But they turned out really nice, I think. This panel at least. That panel is still yellower, but it also didn't get bleached. So, and I'm sure there's more cleaning products we can use on it, but like, the red is there. The white is yellow. There's nothing you can really do about white yellowing. I think hydrogen peroxide works on plastic. I don't know if it'd work on this. I mean, I guess vinyl is plastic, but there you go. So next, I'll probably fast forward through that. We try the backs. I don't think there's going to be any saving the backs, so we'll try. This is the passenger rear door panel. And this is the one that's going to be a problem, I think. Both rears. They're severely warped, so I'll probably have to stretch them onto new backer boards and all sorts. But let's try cleaning it. Let's dump the ashtray out. You never know what exciting things you'll find in the ashtray. You got some tea berry, some Denton, and my favorite, the Nestle's Crunch. Fun stuff. Now we clean. Here we have the proprietary blend in use again. Yes, I suspect we'll be bleaching this one too. Let's try to bleach on it. That's just dawn so I can't hurt myself. And we'll let this sit. Well, this rear panel cleaned up pretty well. Colors are not bad. Definitely needs to be restretched though. So we'll have to probably make a new board because this one's warped. But otherwise, not bad. If I can save some money on this for now, nothing wrong with originals. I'll put it outside to dry. I'm sure there's some bleach and water and stuff, but cleaning up well. So guys, on this passenger rear panel, we're gonna have to stretch the vinyl. The backboard is warped, so we might have to try flatten that. We might make a new one. Haven't decided yet. But either way, I wanna get the ashtray out. So to do that, on the back of the panel, all you have to do is there's some tabs around it. Take a flathead screwdriver and flip them up. It's a little difficult to do one-handed, but I think you get the idea. And there we go. You can see there's accumulation under there. All the tabs just bend up, ashtray comes out the front. Easy stuff. Good to go. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap this one up here. Other than one door card possibly needing a new back panel, they all turned out very, very well. You can see this front one here, very clean. The only real issue is the piping's a little yellowed, and we're gonna try a magic eraser on that and see if it helps any. This rear panel, I was able to stretch the vinyl back into position, so I have some clips on it until I get some contact cement tomorrow, but it turned out very well. I'd much rather have these in it for now until I get replacements than like empty cards or no cards at all. You can tell the difference between a replacement and a new panel. There's just no company that can make the heat seams as flat as Volkswagen did. Or some companies even sew the seam instead of heat seaming it, and it's different. It looks different. You can tell. So I like the original door cards. I have the same thing in the Black 67. So if this was helpful to you, I'd like to hear it in the comment section. Makes me feel good when someone says, hey, you really helped me out in my restoration with that tech tip or that video or whatever. So if it helped you, let me know in the comments below. I'm sure there's going to be more videos on the 63 coming soon. Lots of little things, restoring the headlights, obviously the door cards, cleaning up radio bits and stuff. The car will be coming here soon probably, so might be able to get a little started on that. But until then, guys, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.